I just heard a boom.
Oh my God. I heard that boom too, but I didn't know it was actually outside. I thought it was a person in the hallway. Holy shit.
Dear Dr. K, I used to think I was never meant to be beautiful. I was teased because of my teeth. I didn't like the person looking back at me in the mirror.
I hope not another one goes off.
That's a lot of smoke.
That's another one I heard.
It was like a boom, boom, boom.
And I heard another.
And it almost sounded like a rolling, like garbage dumpster.
Yeah.
And then I saw that pop up.
That's definitely something else. Oh my God. I mean, are we safe here or? I can't believe how close that is. And nobody's called 911? I mean,
Oh, I'm sure the people over there are dead just now.
I hope so. That's black smoke. That definitely was
Yeah.
some kind of explosive device.
It looks like there might be some blackness on the sign.
Like a fire, maybe?
Oh wait, no, that's more like smoke just passing in front of it.
Right.
But it looks like something is continuing to
Be
burn.
on fire,
Yeah, and the smoke is getting blacker.
There's something over on the parking garage too. Is that just steam? Or
That is steam coming from an air handler over there, yeah. Right there. That's why this is and it's getting blacker.
Yeah, it is.